You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
I just spit out some bubble gum. Some double bubble gum. I wanted to get that old school flavor to compare with this Faygo bubble pop. The new flavor. And I'm really excited about this one. I love bubble gum. I really like the old school bubble gum that came with baseball cards back in the day. But yeah, this is supposed to be old school bubble gum flavor. It's got the right color. Kind of, let's do a little comparison. Yeah, pretty much the same. So they got the color right. They got the red dye in there, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, let's get into it. We're gonna try it. Ooh, nicely capped. Got a little dribble on the knee. Oh yeah, foaming up a little bit on top. The Faygo Bubble Pop. I could smell it. It did smell like bubble gum right off the bat when I opened it. Cheers. That is fun. That is fun. This is some fun pop. One more. Oh yeah. Spectacular. This stuff is very good. Spot on. I love it. Caffeine free, but loaded with sugar. I don't know if I could drink this whole bottle. It's very rich, really nice, good flavor. Alone, I could drink this with no problem. But now I'm thinking about it. Would I want to drink this with a hamburger or a hot dog or pizza? Probably not. I guess that would be the only downfall of bubblegum flavor in a drink. But man, it is fun. I really like it. This may be the last new flavor from Faygo that I'll ever do a review of. I love Faygo. They are coming out with some great stuff. Amazing. So, if you can get it, if you're not in Michigan, you probably won't be able to get it. I want to say thank you. God bless you all. I'm Paulie. Till next time. Good stuff.